Am I audible, sir? Hello? 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 Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, last class just GCD I given to with number wise. 1845 GCD means how you are done this factorizes. Greatest common divisor you can write. But it mathematically how you will do. Now we do some theorems and some problems we do today. Take GCD. Greatest common divisor division. When A and B are non-zero integers, then an integer d not equal to z to be common divisor of A and B. A and B are greater than 0, set two integers, there exists d not equal to 0, that is important. Not set to be the GCD of A and B. Then d divides A and d divides B. So d divides both A and B. If d is the largest of all common divisors, d is the multiple of every common divisor, then d is called the greatest common divisor of A and B, denoted GCD of A. This normally GCD they will write in brackets actually. You write in brackets called a GCD. So what he is telling is again listen. When A and B are integers, then an integer d not equal to set to be common divisor of A and B. So both will d divides A and d divides B. That is d divides both and AB. If d is the largest of all common divisors, you can see all common divisors in that d is the largest common divisor means you can say this is the DCG. Next thing is what otherwise you can say the greatest common divisor also called the highest common factor of which is abbreviation of HCF. GCD they can call highest common factor of KB. Normally they will tell GCD is in highest common factor. Then if GCD of A comma B is equal to 1 means what you understand? Previously this problem we had done actually. 1845. What you said this GCD? Tell me. What is the GCD said there? For 1845 given already one GCD. What is the GCD?
9, sir.
9. So another thing is what you can say beautifully. You can write multiples of GCD. You can write both numbers. That will be another theorem. Slowly we can prove. So 9 into something I can write. 9 into something if I write 45 I will get 9 into something I will get 18. Guarantee I can write. As if we say greatest divisor GCD means what, common divisor means what. With that I can write. That into something I can write. Now greatest common divisor GCD is of two numbers A comma B is equal to 1 means what you understand from there.
Sir, can you repeat?
See, two numbers are there. A comma B. Assume any two numbers. That GCD is 1 means what are they? What are the chances? Suppose if 1845 means what you said GCD of GCD of 1845 you said 9. Okay, yeah. Similarly, I am taking two numbers A comma B. If it is GCD 1 means how can you define A and B? How they are appear for you? How can they identify? Think. Take
Sir,
any two
that would
numbers.
mean that they don't have any common factors.
Ah, okay. That another thing you can tell in mathematically. Okay, you are half of the track correct. But what are the names? Any particular in this pattern is there? That number pattern, any name is there? Suppose GCD of 2 comma 3 is what? Two comma three is what? GCD of 2 comma 3. GCD of 2 comma 3 is what? You can break 2 into some factors, 3 into some factors, greatest common you can take. What you will get? What you will get GCD of 2 comma 3? GCD of 11 comma 17. GCD of 11 comma 19. What are the GCDs? GCD of 2 comma 3 what you will get? GCD of 11 comma 17 what you will get? GCD of 11 comma 19 you will get. From this you can say what are the A and B.
Sir, co-primes.
Co-primes and just prime. Primes I will tell you after that. So what? If GCD comma A comma B is equal to 1 means what? A and B are what? Guarantee. Now GCD tell now first. What is GCD? GCD of 2 comma 3 is what? 1. So any two prime numbers if you take means what? GCD 1 means what? They both are what? Primes. That is very very important. Reaching on that. Now what you said that will come to the picture you see. If GCD A comma B is equal, then A or B said to the relatively prime or co-prime. Okay, then each said to be prime to the other. GCD AI comma A is equal to 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to J less than or equal to, then integers are A1, A2 are said to be pairwise or relatively prime. So what? See. Now we can say this is 1 less than or equal to I, less than or equal to J, less than or equal to N. Then the integers how can you get as A1, A2, A3, so on. A are said to be pairwise relatively prime or what you said correct, co-primes. Correct or not? Already now given is. Let us consider the integers 9, 13, 5. 9, 13, 25 is there. In increasing order it has to take actually. 9, 13, 25. Now GCD of 9 comma 13 is 1. GCD of 13 comma 25 is 1. So A greater than B, that pattern you can take always. algorithm or Euclid, whatever pronunciation exactly I don't know. Used algorithm is what is telling actually. Listen, it's very very important. When A and B are any two integers, A greater than B. A should be what? Greater than B. If R1 is the remainder, A is divided by B when A is divided by division B R is B divides A. That you can write. A divided by B. That is A by B. Then R2 is the remainder. R2 is the remainder when B is divided by R1 R3. B is divided by R1 R3 so on. Maybe there is R2 and this R2 is B is divided by R3 sorry this is R3 is remainder R3 is remainder when R1 is divided by R2. R1 is divided by R2. So on, if Rk plus 1 is equal to 0, then last non-zero remainder Rk is the GCD of A. That last non-zero remainder Rk is GCD of A. Now see, just again I will read, check slowly I will read, see. When A and B are two integers, that is A greater than B. A greater than B. If R1 is the remainder, A divided by B. If you write A by B is already I told you A factor is QB plus R1 something we told you yesterday. Plus R1. So R1 is the first remainder. Then R2 is the remainder when B is divided by R1. Again you can do B is divided by R1 by B you can write. Again you will get R2. So on if you do, when you will get a last non-zero, zero remainder, that factor is what you can say GCD. Now I will do one problem you see. Here theory part is there, just you can see theorem proof, but problem I will do. Now we see. Now that one by one you can divide, take remainder, you can divide the previous term, remainder, previous term. When it's get the zero remainder, then stop. From where you getting the zero remainder? That R is what? Previous demand is the Rk plus 1 is equal to 0 means what? You can say Rk is the GCD of the term. Now we see. GCD of 1, 5, 7, 5, 2, 30. Now A is greater than B. Here A is equal to what? 1, 5, 7, 5. B is equal to 231. So A divides by D you can find. A divides by B. Then what do 1575? How can you write? Tell me. Previously we didn't know some term B Q B into plus R where Q is the quotient, R is the remainder. I said you will do that fast. One five seven two by 30 means how can you express? You can see. Otherwise, one thing you can do 157 some multiples of 231. Then remainder is what you can see. 1 into 231, 2 into 31, 5 into 31, 6 into 231. Somewhere you will stop. Plus remainder what you can say. Write the multiples of 231, 1575. Just try. Or divide also what will get quotient plus remainder by divisible. Yesterday one divisible theorem will given, you know. Both are same. Right? 1575 is equal to something into 231 plus something. That something is remainder R1. Come on.
Sir, remainder will be 189 and quotient will
You
be
should
6.
tell 157 is equal to something you can tell me. Something into 231. You know that something is what?
Sir, 6. 6
Ah,
into
that is important. 6 into
231 plus
1.
189.
So this fellow is equal to what? R1. Okay. Now B divided by R1. Am I correct or not? B divided by R1. Now you can write 231 is the multiples of 189. Check. Getting or not? That is a usage theorem. Actually, Avi is telling one by one to continue. Now A divides by B, one remainder will get. That R1 is what? B is divided by R1. So is what? 231 by 181. What is R? So then take this again do operation. When you will get the zero remainder, that previous term you can say GCD of these two fellows like this. Reaching out at what I'm telling you. Now R1, this is B. Again, B is divided by 189 is what? How can you write? 231 is equal to something into 189 plus 1 into 189 I will get a correct or not? 1 into 189 plus what I will get? What you will get, sir? Balance is what? 2 189 is crosses actually. 1 into 189 plus remainder is what if you divide 231 by 189 is.
$42, sir.
Very good. Now, again what I will take, this is what R1, this is R2. Then R3 when I will get actually R2 divided by R1. Correct or not? So on. Or R1. Now how can you write? 189 you can write multiples of 42. Remainder in terms of remainder. This term we can take now. Now tell me. Always this term you can make multiples of this actually. This term is correct. Come on. 189 how can you write? Multiples of 42 you can write because I am removing that 42s actually. How I will write?
Sir, 4 into 42 plus 21.
Very good. 4 into 42 plus 21. Now, this 42 how can I write? This 42 how can I write? Multiples of this fellow. Am I correct or not? The theorem coming or not? That remainder, the previous term, the remainder remains actually. First A used R1 and then R1 is what? B is divided by R1. Then R2 is what? Divided by R1. R3 is what? Divided by R2. Like this, when I will get the zero remainder, I will go. Reaching or not? Now, this 42, okay, right? This 42, like in this terms, you can write. How will you get now? 42. What is the result? 42. How can you write?
21 into 2 plus 0.
Ah, that 0 is still slot actually. Now my remainder is 0, R2. This is what? R3, R4. My R4 is 0. Now who is the GCD? Who is the GCD? R4 is
21,
0.
sir.
Huh?
21, sir.
R3 is my GCD. Reaching or not? Any problem? So when reading this theorem, maybe you will feel vagueness. While doing the problem and studying, now you can read the theorem. You can understand nicely what he is telling actually. But condition is what? A greater than B. Always GCD fitting. Otherwise, which is a big number that you can take. We do wait one example I will see anyway. Euclidean or Euclidean, that is, I don't know this pronunciation, Euclidean, I think so, Euclidean algorithm. Now, one problem I will do, just you can see. Now, at least you can help me using Euclidean algorithm. Find GCD of 15180, 3587. Now, who is the big number that you can select as a? Anyway, you can write big number is equal to small number of multiples plus something. You cannot write small number is equal to A, you cannot do. So always a better A, who is A actually? Then who is A? Who is A? 3587.
3587.
Now don't worry, always the first number, GCD of AB is equal to GCD of BR, same thing, nothing will happen. But 1 is greater than obviously is 2. 3587. How can you write multiples of 1819? How many multiples will you get? Only one multiple. 2 if you take it for 3600 will get. So 1 into 189 plus what will get? Tell me. Balance is telling me, sir. What is the balance? Subtract. Only what time you know, you will get remainder. What is the remainder? What is the remainder? I am only asking questions, I am not telling, sir. Very bad, sir. 1768. Now, how can I write this by this I will write? B is divided by R1. So, always this I want to write express into this. I write it. Yes. This I can write this term actually. So, how can I write now? 1819 is equal to 1768 plus how much you will get? Are you there or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How much you will get? Getting or not? First is what? A divided by B. Some remainder I will write. That remainder I will write. But this term actually. This term I will write multiples of this. Again, what I will get? That term multiples of like this. Now what you will get actually? 1819, 17168 plus how much you will get? What remainder you will get? Minus or subtract and tell what is there. LKG problem. One eight one nine minus 1768. You can do what you are getting. Tell me.
51.
51, sir.
Now, how you will write this 1768 multiple of 51 you can write plus something. Correct or not? This is R1, this is R2. Now R2 divided by this divided by R2. R1 divided by R2. Now how can you write? Multiples of 51 you can write. How many times you will give? 1700 plus 151 is there. So 1700 means how many 50s are there you can see. Check. Tell me. $950 you will get, I think so. Plus something. No, 1700 you know. How many 50s you will get? Each 100 250. 1700 means 34 you will get.
51 into 34 plus 34.
34 into 51 plus
51 plus 34.
34. Now, this 61 alternate multiples of 34. Am I correct or not? This is R3. Because this is R2. This R2 I can write. 51 is the multiples of 34 means for 134 plus back this is what?
17, sir.
17. You see how nice you are writing. Then this 34 alternate multiples of 17 can I write?
For 2 times, sir.
This is R4. Now this is what?
2 into 17.
17 plus 0. This is R5. Now, who is my GCD?
17, sir.
Very good. So this much big, which how nicely we arrived actually. Note down. Now theorem you understand, I think. So now you can read theorem once, you will understand nicely. Now, at least this problem now we can do. By Euclidean algorithm, we can find GCD of super number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Caching number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See how pattern. Reverse is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Good bad repetition. Fashion from fashion is following. Now we can do. How can you write? Now who is A, who is B, can identify. Now who is A?
Sir, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good. See how nicely framed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something will be done. Like I get 4 multiples you will get a no. Check 3 multiples I will get, I think. So 4 multiples I am getting. 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus something. 54,300. Take balance term. Tell me balance term, don't waste time. Come on.
Sir, 4, 9, 4, 1.
Very good. 4, 9, 4, 1. Nice. Now this how can you write? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you can write multiples of 4, 9, 4, 1. Got it or not? Pattern. Multiples of 4, 9, 4, 1, right? How many things will you get? Three means it's crosses actually. 3, 4,000 is only 12,000, but 900 is 300 is crosses actually. So 2 times it will go. Correct? Huh? So 4941 plus how much you will get?
2463.
Very good. 2463. Now this is R1, this is R2. Again R2 we can let, R1 we can let multiples of R2. So this fellow we can let multiples of this. So 4941 we can let multiples of 2463. 2463 two times it will go. I can check our more 2 times it won't go. It's going. Now can you write 2 into 2463 balance what? 2,400, 4,000, 260 is 120, 236. If you add this less than only you get no doubt. Balance is what?
37, sir.
37. Check.
Fifteen, sir.
15, sir.
15. Now how can you write? This 2463 can get multiples of 15. I mean, correct or not? This fellow divided by this like this. This by this, this by this, this by this, like this can remember. 2463 can write multiples of 15. How many 15s will go see? Something into 15 I want to write. Tell me.
64.
Very good. Just if you divide this what 64 point something you will get 64 into 15 then subtract you get automatically. Like this logically otherwise not. Improper function if you do this what you will get 64 by the parameter will be able to tell. That is what 64 into 15 plus balance is what? Remainder.
Sir, 164. Sir.
164 wait. Acha 164. Plus
Plus 3.
who is the remainder?
3.
Very good. 3. Now 15 by 3 you can see. This fellow by this fellow, this fellow by this fellow, this fellow by this fellow. So 15 is equal to how can you write? Fifteen is equal to what? How can you write 15?
5.
5 into multiple of this fellow 3. So remainder is what? 0. Happily I got. Now who is the GCD? This fellow is what? R5. Now who is GCD? Who is GCD? Sir, GCD, sir. Who is GCD? Hello? R4 is R5 is 0. Then who is GCD?
3, sir.
R3 is GCD, so R4. So GCD is what? 3. See how big number we start actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12,345, 54,321. See how nicely I arrived. It's really great. Otherwise, if you break this, what will happen? You will break. So this is the way. Lot of things are there. Just you can see the examples better. Next 2 hours class, maybe I will complete GCD in this unit. I want to when is again second cycle just coming. We want to do. Next thing I want to tell you, I posted our marks in cycle test 1. Just any discrepancy before evening, you can tell me. Today is the last date. After that, I am not able to change anything, sir. Better you can tell me before itself. Before you can call me anytime, no problem. Before 9 o'clock, actually, at least for changing. 24 hours I am available. By 12 o'clock, to lock. Today is the last day. So better you can call 9 o'clock before. If you call me, but at least I can check the system and again I change any discrepancies. Then check, I will check your marks and I will tell you. I hope there is no discrepancy. 99.999% exact agreed. Suppose by mistake any changes, please just inform me. Again, I will check your marks and I'll come back. Okay, this you can check yourself. But okay, somewhat happy. Like this previously in cycle test is what everyone get 20, 20, 20, not like this. Some range you are maintained, so you are studied your own. That's very good. You have studied nicely yourself. There is no copying, I hope. I'm very happy this time. Marks from 17 to 25. Different marks, different students. All students not get same marks. All are 25. All are 29 lines. Every range is there. So somewhat happy. So less marks also don't worry. Next time you can try. You are doing good. Happy. Don't worry about the marks. Sincerely read and attempt. If you miss what where you are missing, again you can go home and read actually which is wrong, actually where you are done wrong, you can find out. Correct? Don't worry about the marks. Read properly. Now tell me 569,
Yes, sir.
70,
Present,
570,
sir. Present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74,
Present, sir.
75,
Present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
77,
Present, sir.
78,
Present, sir.
79 not there I think so. 80,
Present, sir.
81,
Present, sir.
82,
Present, sir. Present.
80, where are you? You are in some well low inside. Look, a voice coming. 82, 83,
Present, sir.
84.
84 not there, sir. 85.
Okay, good. Thank you. 86,
Present, sir.
87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89,
Sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91,
Present, sir.
92,
Present, sir.
93,
Present, sir.
94, 95,
Present, sir.
96.
Sir, 96 is not there.
Okay, 97. Thank you.
Present, sir.
Is there. 98,
Present, sir.
99,
Present, sir.
600,
Present, sir.
601, 602,
Present, sir.
603.
602 present. 602 present.
Okay, 603,
Present, sir.
not 4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Sir, present, sir.
007, James Bond. Where are
Present,
you?
sir.
Very good. 8, 608, 9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17.
Sir, present, sir. 17.
Very good. 18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26,
Yes, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28,
Yes, sir.
29,
Yes, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32.
Present, sir.
Akshay sir 594, 601, 608. Before 9 o'clock, just you can confirm with me. There is no messages miss. I am very happy. We'll continue with that what I put is. I hope there is no changes exactly we done. But anything my missed by with my eye means what some typing error means, just you can tell me. Again, I will check your marks. Before 9 o'clock, just you can text me your reach number, name and marks. This is this marks I want to get. Actually, this I got like this. Immediately I will reply. Before 12 o'clock, your marks will be changed. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.